All right, let's go.
You can turn a lot quicker than us, Jose. You've done mine.
I know. Yeah, that is true. That is true. That is true. Oh, here's that really nice spot here in downtown Gainesville. Came in hot.
How you went that way, bro? You good, bro?
Woo! It's all good.
How you went that way and swerved like that?
It's all good. You good?
Yeah. Just give him like 5.
Yeah, you good. You good. Yeah, so this is the Thomas Center out here in Gainesville, downtown Gainesville. It's a really nice place. The lights all set up on the trees. It's really cool. All right, you remember we stopped here? Yeah, I'm over here trying to lose my way back to that damn mural. I didn't say you leave it on. We're gonna go ahead and try to find that place. I think some way that way.
It told me on the thing, if I hold it back, it charges the battery while it's in idle.
No.
That's what I'm doing. I'm just holding that bitch. You see, every time that bitch is on idle, I'm holding that bitch
Me
back,
too
bro.
now.
Yeah, keep doing that.
I didn't know that was even a thing.
Yeah, because that's what happens. What you're doing is like
You're activating it.
It's jump starting that circuit, bro. You're fucking glitching that circuit. It's always a glitch or something, bro. Man, it's fucking like
Damn.
that shit looks beautiful. Where am I?
This is the Thomas Center.
What the fuck? This is a place to live?
Nah.
What to say, bro?
They do like weddings and stuff here though.
I'm like living nice.
Alright. Do you remember if we came? Because I swear we went to the same exact spot. That same exact corner when we first came in. So I don't know if we gotta go across the street or we gotta go that way. But it's one or the other. I think we gotta go that way. We're gonna find out.